let's kick off immediately and learn how to design our header. Now, let's go ahead and click on header right now. And this is our header. We have nothing here. Blog description. Let's say this is online courses for students. Okay, now I need an image. I will go ahead and hit on shrink to fit and click on choose file, and I'm going to choose GSTV school.png. This is just for GSTV website. If we choose this, remember to hit on shrink to fit, and now you can no longer see the shrink to fit. Click on instead of title and description, let the image show. Before we do that, I will leave it and hit on save. Now let's preview this and see how it looks like. You can see that the header is not looking good, and you can see the text and the description here. Let me remove it now and click on header. Go back and choose what I told you. Instead of title and description, the header image should be there. But when people search online, they will see online courses for students. Hit save. And we are done. Hit on preview. And this is what we have now. This is looking good. Close this. Save your arrangements. Now, let us change the background image on the blog. Hit on your theme and move up. This is what you have, and this is how it looks like in the mobile. Looking good. Now, click on customize. And hit on background. Remove this image by hitting on remove image now. It asks you, do you want to remove the background image? Yes. And down here you can see that the image is gone. Now hit on this small icon here, or you hit inside here. A new window pops up, and above here you can see upload image. Hit on upload image, and I'm going to hit on choose file. I will go down here and hit on this image. Remember, you must know how to make use of Photoshop so that you can be able to design anything you want to design inside Photoshop. This is my own Photoshop here. Let me minimize it. I'm going to double click on GSTV Blogger, so the image will now upload right here for me. Now I'm going to hit on choose file. Come on, I've chosen this file earlier. Click on down, and this is what I have down here, and you can see the image here. Apply to Blogger. Theme applied. Now let's hit on view blog to see how it looks like. You can see that this has been applied to our blog, and you can see how it looks like. Alright, so this is what we already designed. So I believe that we are moving together. In the next tutorial, we'll go ahead and look on how to add pages and posts on our blog. Before then, let's click on go back to Blogger. I'll click on back to Blogger, and this will move me back immediately. So this is how it looks like actually in real life. So you can always go and hit on view blog, and it will now open for you. You can see that. You might ask me, why are you not seeing the full image just like the way it is here? Yes, you are not seeing that because my laptop is really very small and everything really compresses. That means if you are using a bigger laptop, this will automatically be open for you. You don't need to click it. But if you watch, you can see that I am always clicking on this to show us what is here. That shows you that I'm using a very small laptop to teach you how to make this. So you can use any type of laptop to learn. Okay, you can always search. Alright, I can always come back to your home. So when you're designing this is how it's going to look, and it's going to be very beautiful. So on mobile phone, this is how it will look. So if I go ahead and hit on view blog and we view this blog again, I will check this out on mobile phone by right clicking and go to inspect element. So I will go over here and check out on views. If you go to this, you will see how it looks like in real life. So if you're using a mobile phone, you can see that the whole images are really showing down here. So you don't need to panic if you're watching this. So you can change any image and you can still see all this here. That means you don't need to panic. So I will close this as we go on immediately with some other things we need. So you can go back to your layouts and continue with designs. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and look at how to add posts, how to add pages, and how to add our profile picture on our blog. Thank you and see you in the next video.